बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, उम्मीद करते हैं कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। फ्रेंड्स, आज के सेशन में हम डिस्कस करेंगे 5 स्टेप्स टू अ न्यू करियर इन हेल्थ केयर। वीडियो की तरफ बढ़ने से पहले हमारी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें। चलिए आज के सेशन की तरफ बढ़ते हैं। If your passion for helping others has led you pursue a healthcare career, you have chosen a high growth field expected to add millions of the jobs in the coming decade, where you fit in dependence on the whatever you want to perform the direct patient care to work behind the scenes. Either may your passion needs a plan, you will also need a good work ethic, education, training, and the attitude of the lifelong learner to succeed in the field. Number one, choose a healthcare path. So, patient care or not, it's not the only decision you need to make, but it's an option important one, because if you want to be an on a patient floor helping to heal the sick, that's one path. But if you don't really like the idea of seeing blood or cleaning up after the patients, then you will take another route. It's good to have a choice. What's yours? Number two, get healthcare training. For most any healthcare career, you will need training. Training ensures that you have the necessary knowledge and skills to work in the field. Whatever you want to become a medical assistant or healthcare administrator, you will need to learn how the healthcare delivery system works, what laws and regulations will need to flow, and the technical aspects of your job. For example, you will need to understand the HIPAA law and ensure the patient's confidentiality and the electronic medical records mandate that shifted the industry away from the paper records to the digital files. Number three, gain experience in the healthcare. One of the best way to kickstart your careers in with some experiences in the field. If your training program offers an externship at a local healthcare facility, you will have the chance to see what your job would really be like, and you can put the experience on your resume. Number four, find the opportunities to work with the healthcare professionals. Your professionals network include your co-workers, supervisors, and workplaces equi- acquaintances, but it can also start in your training program. These classmates could be your future colleagues. Make a good compression while you are still in school, and you never know where it could lead. Throughout your career, you can call upon your network to provide the references. So ये था हमारा आज का सेशन। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। अल्लाह हाफिज़।